Hi, I'm Mr. D, and once again welcome to my kitchen. It is said what I'm cooking today in my thermal cooker dates back to the Middle Ages, when sugar was a luxury and reserved for kings and queens. It was also a firm favourite of Queen Victoria, who was a fan of sweet and spicy confection. So if it's good enough for kings and queens, moist carrot cake is certainly worth a try. Firstly, take a mixing bowl and break into it 2 large eggs. To the eggs, add the dark brown sugar, rapeseed oil, and mix everything together. Once mixed, sift in the flour. And remember, don't throw away the husks caught in the sieve, as sifting is to remove the lump, not the valuable bran fibre. Just add them back to the flour. Now add the bicarbonate of soda to help it rise and the mixed spice. Give everything a good mix before adding the grated carrot, orange zest, and 1 tablespoon of treacle. And the sultanas. Now take your cake tin. I'm using a Mr. D's cake tin, but any cake tin with a lid will do. Grease it well, and I'm putting a round of silicone paper in the bottom before adding the mix. You could of course add greaseproof paper if you didn't have silicone. And finally, put a piece of greaseproof paper or silicone on the top. Shut the lid. Now take your inner pot and put a trivet in it. Cover the trivet with boiling water before putting the cake tin in. Now top up with boiling water. You're looking to have it about 2/3 up the side of the cake tin. After putting the lid on, all you need now to do is bring it to the boil and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Once the simmering's finished, put it into the insulated outer container and leave it to cook for at least 5 hours without power. Before removing the cake, let's make the drizzle glaze by adding the orange juice, lemon juice and brown sugar. Heat until the sugar is dissolved. Remember to keep stirring while this is happening. To release the cake, I always run a knife round the side before turning it out onto a rack to cool. Now prick the base all over before drizzling over the glaze. Now I think you deserve a slice with a cup of tea and your feet up. If you enjoyed this recipe and would like to see more, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell if you want notification when I add new recipes.